Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. My Ipsy came today, and it's actually my birthday today. So this was a nice little birthday surprise. So if you guys want to see what I got in my Ipsy bag, thank you for watching. Ipsy's in a box now because they merged with Boxycharm. I'm not thrilled, but we'll see how it goes. So it comes in a box like this, and it's basically falling apart. And then it came with this little like newspaper, and it's Boxycharm by Ipsy, so I guess no more bag. First we have this Purely's Yuzu Orange Exfoliator. I'm excited for this because I do need a new exfoliator. I'm not loving the one that I have. Next are these Drunk Elephant O Blues Rosy Drops. Are these the drops that everyone's using? Because if it is, this is tiny. This is just 1 ounce. But I'm excited to try it. I haven't really tried Drunk Elephant. I'm not taking this out of the box, but it's this 4 Chicks Eyelash Enhancing Serum. Again, excited to try an eyelash serum. That's something I really wouldn't buy myself. Next up, we have this Peachy High Def Under Eye Color Corrector from Cosmetik. Again, excited to try this. My under eyes will really like it because I have a very dark circle. And last is this Natasha Denona Alloy Palette. Not thrilled with this because I don't like Natasha Denona. I think her eyeshadows are not worth the money. So overall, I think this box was okay. Not thrilled with the eyeshadow palette because again, I don't like Natasha Denona. I think her eyeshadows are just, she's overrated. I said what I said. Don't like it. I'm excited for everything else, especially these little Drunk Elephant glow drops. And that is it for my April Boxycharm, Ipsy, whatever this is. Not thrilled that they merged. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Follow me on all my social media, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.